inside the glass or beaker. So write down this. Here the concept of reversibility come. Okay. Second is conservation. Okay. And here concrete thought also develop. You can relate the things from example to concept. You can apply here inductive approach in your class because they are somehow reasoned by themselves. Okay, they have some capability of reasoning, but not more abstractive. Okay, they are concrete reasoning. Okay, so at last stage is formal operational. Here all the things are come. Here the child can abstract by themselves, the child can imagine by themselves, the child can reason by themselves. Okay, the child can get all the idea about conservation, reversibility, reasoning, abstract. Okay, the child can imagine. You can relate this thing in Bunner last stage. That is symbolic. When we are telling anything, we are giving any symbol, the child can relate his things to the life part, and he or she can imagine the things, and he or she can abstract the things. Clear? So in this way, Bunner stage and Piaget stage are related. These are cognitive approach, and Piaget and Bunner also a part of constructivism. And Piaget more emphasized on constructivism that Piaget has said that the thought process is developed, the child learn by themselves doing the things. Okay, and after all, another thing we can relate, Vygotsky had said the language develops after all the thought process develops. But Piaget said the thought process has developed because we are in baby stage, we are doing those activities. We have also thought, we are crying, we are laughing, we are seeing the thing, we are understanding. So somehow we have high thought process. Then we are interacting by course of time when we are developing. But Vygotsky said, first we have language, then we can think about the help the language. So what Vygotsky said? Vygotsky is a psychologist who has described the socio-cultural constructivist approach. Socio-cultural constructivist approach. What he told? Now he told three things. First is ZPD, zone of proximal development. Second is
cultural tools.
More other knowledgeable person.
Scaffolding. Third is more knowledge other.
Private
Okay,
schools.
although he not highlighted scaffolding, but we should know that what is scaffolding. Scaffolding was given by Wood. Okay, WOOD, Wood. But how scaffolding helps here? Suppose I am learning riding cycle. I am a child. Okay, when I don't know how to ride, one is helping me. Okay, who knows that thing? That means he is a more knowledge other. Okay, and I am in the stage, I can do that thing, but I don't know how to ride. Okay, so he is helping me or she is helping me by putting the cycle behind of me, and after all sometime he or she what done? He left the cycle, and I also learned the cycle riding by course of time. So what happened? I didn't know how to ride the cycle, but I became to know to ride the cycle. When I began to know that riding the cycle, I am in the stage of zone of proximal development, ZPD. I am in the ZPD stage after learning the things. Means it is a capacity to how much extent I can learn. It's not beyond that I cannot learn. That is the zone of proximal development is saying. we should provide any facility in the classroom, the student, seeing the student ability, that how much they are capable, and we should, although they are unknown, but we should facilitate them to take them to known stage. The known stage is ZPD. Unknown to known, that is ZPD. And what mechanism help here? Scaffolding. You write down. Unknown to known. When learning is going through a more knowledge other person, through help of him, that is the scaffolding, then we get the idea, then we learn the things, then we go to the zone of proximal development stage. So in this way, Vygotsky mentioned that our learning is constructed with the social interaction. We are not that, when we are not interacting society, culture, then we are not able to learn. It's not that we are learning by ourselves. But some context we are learning, but we should need also help of society and our culture. Okay. So this is the constructive approach of Vygotsky. Okay. So how it is related to Piaget? Who can say? Okay. In this way we are discussed all these things. So your task is you will difference and how related all this theory to each other and submit it to Sima ma'am. Okay. So for now this much. Okay. Thanks. Thanks for your help. You are getting some idea. Any improvise you can suggest. First thing you told, you have got or not?
Yes, sir.
So at improvisation I need.
सर इनमें एंगेज कस्टमर मोर और भी एंगेज करना चाहिए सर.
Yes. Any other?
Sir, your speed was very fast. Speed should be a bit slow.
Yes.
Your content was very much more than, बहुत ज़्यादा कंटेंट था आपका. कंटेंट थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए.
Yes, yes.
कंटेंट इज प्रोग्रेस.
Okay. So any other point? Okay, thank you for your kind cooperation. Thank you, ma'am.